The night fly. His name is somewhere in here, I thought. Is it?
Yes.
No. Where is it? Right there. Yeah.
Double M.
And he worked his butt off to entertain you guys. So. Huh? And he didn't get here till noon today. Wonder why? He probably slept until 11. But it was well worth it. Thanks, Mitch. Appreciate you being here. Thanks for the show. He's the winner of our night fly at the 2013 edition of the Orlando Helicopter Blowout.
Gary, give him the money, dude.
Hello, you all.
Hey, Kelly, no checks. Cash. We're gonna count it. Mark and his guys. Nice.
Okay. I was just been told that we were looking for the winner of the auto rotation contest.
Hey, Mitch, can you spot me $20?
We had an auto rotation contest earlier today. It was sponsored by Graves RC. The guy that won it just went away. I guess he wanted to have dinner or whatever. And he's here now.
There you go, brother.
He won $300, but not least, again, give it up for Mr. Mitch Marozas. Yeah. The winner of our night fly. Come on, Mitch. Where's George? George Van Gansen. George, come over here.
Georges, come on, buddy.
Georges, come on. Georges Van Gansen, he's the owner of Scorpion Power Systems, one of the two sponsors for our night fly. He flew to Orlando, Florida from Hong Kong, Asia.
All the way from Hong Kong.
Unbelievable. 19-hour flight.
What did you are?
More or less. 19 hours to get here. Thanks for appreciate your support. And congrats to Mitch, the winner of our night flight, $1,000 cash, courtesy of Gowie, Empire, Gowie, and Scorpion.
Got a round of applause for our winner, please, tonight, by competition, Mitch Marozas. I'll tell you what, Bert, next year, him, right, because obviously he's going to get into Helimasters, isn't he? I'm going to make sure he gets into Helimasters. I'll tell you what, do you reckon him and Timo Curtis on the night flight, that'll be a battle, wouldn't it?
I think that would be amazing, yeah.
I'm so looking forward to that. Round of applause for that nighttime winner, Mitch Marozas!